So what I've done is I've taken all the stones off the front edge. Plan to build a new wall along here up to around about the tree and then in, and then we're going to level this off, get a nice flat area that we can maybe get a table and chairs on. So it'll be small, but it'll work. Okay, I'm on my way back up to the cottage to carry on with the wall. I'm not going to do a lot today, but all I want to do is sponge off the joints. So update on the garden. So I've pretty much finished the stone wall for the raised bed. Just got to sponge that in a little bit. The weather's been terrible, so it's taken a little while, and I've had to be careful that it doesn't get washed out. So I had to tarpaulin it up and make sure that it was all watertight overnight and bits like that. But anyway, I'm on to the sort of seating area now. Dug out and leveled it this morning, and I've got a bit of making good around the area in the corner, so I'm going to do that now. I've got some curb stones for the edge, and we're going to fit them, which will give us a sort of line to work up to, and then we're going to get the bricks in. Today the plan is to carry on with the area I'm going to put the seats and the table on, so I need to level that off. Got some edge curb stones. A bit of a fall on it.